for a living? I want to know what you ache for.
Good afternoon, everybody. Dr. Bazlul Haq, Director Academics, Mr. Sajal Ghosh, Director Operations, Dr. Sudeep Basak, Principal, Dr. K. Hazra, Convener, the organizing team, faculty of Elite College of Engineering, distinguished dignitaries and delegates to this international webinar on featured advances in science and technology, FAST 2020. A very good afternoon to all of you. I consider this a matter of great honor to be able to participate in this webinar, and I am keenly looking forward to the deliberations that are going to follow. These kind of conferences are excellent platforms for researchers, particularly the young research scholars, not only to present their work and validate their methods, but more importantly, to get inspired by new ideas, to find opportunities for collaboration, and also to challenge themselves for more exciting times in the area of research and development. I must congratulate the management and the principal of ECE for having conceptualized such a wonderful event.
Now, in the year 2000, Reed Hastings, the founder of Netflix, approached Blockbuster and proposed a partnership. At that time, Netflix was still pretty new and small, whereas Blockbuster was an established giant. For whatever reason, Blockbuster rejected Netflix proposal. Now, by 2004, Netflix was finally seen as a threat to Blockbuster's business model because the internet became a household commodity. Fast internet connections and supreme download speeds made Netflix extremely popular, because who doesn't want to enjoy sitting comfortably at home with hundreds of movie options on their computers or TV screens? Am I right? Blockbuster tried to salvage their situation by launching Blockbuster Online.
Yes.
In which field? In
Yes.
which field has got more success?
Yes.
See, Mahua, I'm telling you, every street is paved with gold. I'm telling you. Every field has got the opportunity. Every field is rewarding. It depends on the expertise.
I'll appreciate that. Okay, next slide. Next slide, please. Hello. Okay, my presentation will be based on, okay, previous slide. Previous slide. So I'll first do the basics of organic electronics. Some basic things is required to understand the devices. So I'll take three cases. One is organic light emitting diodes, is called OLEDs, and organic photovoltaics, popularly called solar cells, and organic FETs, field effect transistors. all organic things, how it comes, and just giving parallel development of the conventional electronics, how, where they are important, I will elaborate. And I'll happy to take question and answer session for whatever the time required. So I'll do that. So I'll compensate that 15 minutes here. So, okay, next slide.
To write in the Q&A box. You can raise your hands also. In that case, I will allow you to unmute your audio. Then you can directly talk to the speaker. And I should assure you that we have a 15 minutes question and answer session after the entire presentation, or whenever convenient, our presenter will ask you if you have any questions or not.
We put up the opening chart on the screen, and I hope everybody is able to see that. First of all, big thanks to Elite College of Engineering for organizing this international webinar on Future Advances in Science and Technology, or FAST. I think it's a great initiative by the Institute to get speakers from around the globe to talk in front of the students and share their knowledge and expertise.
Welcome back. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. We are having a great opportunity to listen to the words from a speaker with extensive knowledge in his respective field. Yes, I'm talking about Mr. Pallab Banerjee, Sales Operations Excellence Manager from ABB Australia Private Limited. And his topic for today's session is Harmonics and Power Factor Correction. Today's session in charge, Professor Deeposhree Saha, reporter Dr. A.K. Datta, and web host Professor Shauradip Sarkar. Myself, Mohua Datta, the moderator and the host of this session. So as usual, let me tell you the do's and don'ts of this session. Please stay mute, and whatever your questions, please write in the Q&A box. I will check the Q&A box sometimes, and at the end of the presentation, there is a 15 minutes Q&A session. So I will forward your questions to the speaker, or if the speaker feels convenient, he can take your questions in the mid of the presentations also.
Okay. So
Yes, sir.
We got stuck in this wonderful webinar, but fortunate enough that we are back again, right?
Exactly.
So that's very good thing. So I think participants are not disheartened with this sudden interruption due to technical faults. So let me start once again. So I should first congratulate to all students that they performed very well. All of them performed very well, I should say. And therefore, it is very difficult for the judges, the panel of judges, to judge and to extract best 3 presenters out of all the presenters. So it is the most difficult task. However, we have to decide, this is our duty of the first panel, that we should announce and decide the best 3 presentations. But I should say that the competitions were very close and everyone performed very well. Anyway, I should start from the 3rd position. The 3rd position has been secured by Mr. Gaurav Ganguly, Department of Mechanical Engineering, Elite College of Engineering. Okay, so Gaurav Ganguly has secured the 3rd position. Right, so this is the certificate which is displayed here, which is displayed in your screen. I think everyone can see it, and soft copy will be emailed to you immediately after completion of this session. So that's all. So next comes to the 2nd position. Right. So the 2nd position has been secured by Mr. Shouvik Saha, sorry, Department of Mechanical Engineering, Elite College of Engineering. So you can see that certificate, which will also be emailed to you at the closure of this session. So congratulations to both Gaurav and Shouvik. Right. Now comes the 1st position. Right. So the 1st position has been secured by Miss Pirzadi Arzina Imtiaz from Department of Civil Engineering, University of Science and Technology, Jammu and Kashmir. Okay, so that is the first position and that is the certificate which will be also be emailed to you immediately after completion of this session. So thanks again to all the student presenters. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Sir is, let me tell the audience that sir is also the chairman of this convener, and sir has really the biggest contribution for this webinar actually. Anyway, I really like to congratulate all the winners, and I also like to congratulate all other participants also. Actually, personally, I really liked some of the presentations. Maybe they have not won this I mean accolades like certificates and all, but personally my personal choices were a little bit different maybe. Anyway, I like the second runner-up of this competition to share his experience about this international webinar and specifically about the student presentation session. Second runner-up means the third position. I guess Gaurav, na? Gaurav is the third position. Gaurav, please turn on your camera, and I just want to listen. What is your experience about this webinar, and how did you feel really? And I like to congratulate you once again. Please turn on your camera, Gaurav. Are you there?